Immerse the chicken in boiling water. To begin our recipe, we'll need 1 chicken breast. Let's put it in a pan with boiling water. We'll leave the chicken cooking until it's like this. Then we'll cut it into small pieces. In a bowl, we'll put 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and salt. Let's whisk. Guys, take this moment to leave in the comments where are you watching us from. We would love to know how far our video got. Let's add 1 cup of flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. Now let's add the chicken, 4 ounces of grated mozzarella, and oregano. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. Let's put this mixture in a dish. And on top we'll put zucchini slices, tomato, and grated mozzarella. Let's leave it in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. And our delicious recipe is ready. I think it looks great, doesn't it? Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!